What's up, guys? I'll get back to that. I've got something talk a little bit about the Flow Zone backpack sprayer, and I don't have the backpack part of it on it because Brenda and the other one don't really wear it, so yeah, we're doing all this sofa. Pretty sizable job here. We got 3 area rugs, L-shaped sofa there with the ottoman, 3 bedrooms, bathroom, and a closet back here. I did detect some illumination, but they've been here 10 years, don't have any pets, so then I went and did a test spray with peroxide, and there's light in here, and it didn't disappear, so I just went ahead and sprayed them just with my little squirt bottle. I didn't charge them for it because, it's they've been here 10 years, and it's probably from the previous people, and it didn't disappear when I sprayed it, so it's been there way too long. So we're doing that. Okay, we're doing all this floor here, and we're just going over the rugs, and around right in this area. These are wool. That one's wool for sure. This one don't have a tag, so I'm hoping it don't have viscose in it. Probably doesn't, but if it does, then I'll know, and then I'll have to fix it. And then we're doing this one right here. So Brenda's doing all the vacuuming, getting it all set up. This is our second job. First job was $290, which is a repeat customer. She'd use me once a year. This one, I think it's like $720, I think. But I'll put the ticket at the end of the video. So anyway, I'm gonna put the backpack sprayer back on here because I noticed I'm the only one who really uses the, sprays it down anyway. So, so now I got this, and if they don't want to, if they're gonna pre-spray, they can pre-spray with that. But I got a pet treatment in that right now because my actually, no, I have Scotch Guard or protection in here right now. I added that to the last job, and so yeah, perfect for that. Also, yeah, that spray gun right there. Unfortunately, it just it's not working. I don't know. I probably let it sit too long or something. So anyway, I'm gonna have to figure that out. So anyway, that's what I was gonna use for the cover protection. It makes it really easy. Just put in a little 2-gallon bill. I don't want to talk about that right now. So yeah, basically, I'm gonna go ahead and put this backpack back on. And it's so much easier. This kind of pain in the butt, the cord's a little too short, so you get hung up on it. If you drop it, you could bend this right here. I've bent them both. I have 2 of them, but it hasn't been any worse than that. So it just kind of looks bad, but it works just fine. So yeah, I fill it all the way up, throw it on my back, and I could whip through this whole house with the pre-spray. And that's why I mainly converted to the backpack sprayer, because of that. It makes it so, and these things spray amazing, 125 psi, perfect, right? So yeah, I got this. This is my backup, and this is for if they want to pre-spray, they can use that in the future. I'm gonna take off those wheels for now. I got 2 of these, so I can have one with wheels and one without. I'm not gonna put them all in here. All right, we're gonna get to cleaning. We're gonna go ahead and clean the sofa and ottoman first, and then do all the carpets. No heat necessary for this job. It'll warm up to probably about 150 degrees anyway without the heat exchanger. So just to prolong the life of the heat exchanger, I only use it when needed. And whenever you're doing upholstery anyway, you don't need heat. All right, all done. Fan going, you know, and stand them up there. That way, we stand them up like that. That way, you can get air around all the sides, well, most of the sides, except for the bottoms, and it helps with drying. So I went and pre-sprayed pretty much everything already. I'm just following me up with the multi-wash. So a little about the flow zone here. It actually kicks butt. Kicks butt. You got different settings you want lower, say you need it, switch some upholstery or something, or you want to put protection in here, but yeah, do it through a house, all right, without having to drag this around, I even quicker, so. So the way we do this is we just alternate, right? While one person's vacuuming, the other person's doing something else, I pre-spray, following up right behind me with that. Then I'm gonna be right behind her with the wand, kick butt through here. Two people really speeds it up. But not twice as much, right? It's not like if it takes us 2 hours here, it would have took me 4 hours. It'd probably take me 2.5 hours. So. But I hustle. When you get your routine so down, it really saves you a lot of time. If you're just chaotic when you're cleaning, and stuff's everywhere, you're tripping over stuff, and you don't have a good routine, it's just costing you money. Honestly, it's going to take you longer on jobs. You might even hurt yourself. So, usually I don't even pull out the hoses until now. All right, but we did the upholstery first. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my wand and start extracting. For the guys who are wondering, why am I cleaning the rugs on the floor? Well, we adjust the PSI down to where about 300 is fine, so where it doesn't get the backing of the carpet or the rug wet. All right, so. All right, I'll finish the fan on there, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and text the customer, let her know we're done. You know, carpets look great, everything looks great. And yeah, so that's it for this one, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. You know, do the channel a favor. If you watch all my channels, all my videos, and you know you're kind of always seeing my videos, make sure you like and do a comment. Just put a 1 or anything like that. That'll help the algorithm, you know, push out my channel a little bit more. All right. Until then, we'll see you next one.